Hello friend, this is Aman. Welcome to my channel Martian. In this video, I am going to cover digital input. So first, I am going to show you how to read the digital input. To get the digital signal, I will use IR module because IR module gives us digital output. Okay, so and then I will give this output to the Arduino as digital input. So before the starting with this, let's understand a little bit about digital signal. So if we look at it in the Arduino, the digital signal is the highest or lowest level of any reference voltage. So we called highest level voltage as high or 1, and the lowest one is called low or 0. And if we talk about a pin of Arduino board where 5 volt is available, digital form of the pin is highest voltage will 5 volt and lowest will 0. Okay, let's do a little practical on this thing. So now I am going to write the first program on Arduino IDE. So in this you can program in C or C++, or you can also just call it the Arduino language. So you people don't need any programming language before that. We will start here with very basic. Okay, so don't be a little nervous, be patient, everything will be understood. Just open the new sketch box and type here void setup, and for the content of the void setup, just open and close a curly brackets. Now whatever we will write inside the curly brackets, it will all be inside the void setup. Okay, and now let's write one another thing, while loop, and for it also open and close the curly brackets, and now in the void setup write a function pin mode. Pin mode is a function to define the pin input or output. So I'm going to fill it by pin number and mode of this pin, because we are going for digital read. So just write input, and then in the while loop write a difference function, digital read. Okay, and now let's make a variable for store the reading data from sensor. So go to upper side of this code and write int data, and int means integer, and this is the variable. Okay, here we can store the data in the form of number. Basically you can say integer is the box for store data in the form of number, and the name of the box is data, and source pin is 5, and another thing is where we will see the data are coming. So for that we will use serial monitor. So for that I'm going to start the serial monitor by their function. So let's write serial dot begin 9600, and 9600 is baud rate to communicate between serial port and board. Just you can say speed of communication. Okay, and then in the void loop write serial dot println data. It will print the data are coming. Okay, and now connect the digital sensor to the Arduino board. So let's do it. So in the IR module have 3 pins. First VCC, second ground, and third the digital output. So I'm going to connect it to the board. VCC connect to the 5 volt of Arduino, and ground to ground, and the output of digital module connect to the 8 number of Arduino pin, and now connect the USB pin to the computer. So upload the code on the board. It's uploading. When I take my hand to close the IR module, it gives 1, and when not, it gives 0. You can use different module for the digital read, or you can use just a push button for it. Now you have learned how to read the data by any digital module. In the next video I will show you how to write digital data. So thanks for watching this video. See you next video.